G'day Ian Castle here, your Aussie Vocal Coach, and this is the high voice vocal workout for beginner singers. The singing exercises in this routine are played in a comfortable range to develop vocal tone and build confidence and technique in your voice. You will hear Belinda's voice demonstrating each exercise first. Make sure you don't push or strain to hit the notes, and have a sip of water between the exercises to stay hydrated. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Forward resonance. You should try to develop a forward tone placement when you sing. This is sometimes called singing into the mask. We will sustain an followed by a release into the R vowel. Let your jaw relax and drop as you sing the vowel. Belinda will demonstrate it for you. Let's try it together. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Let's do the exercise again, but this time without Belinda guiding you. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Exercise 2. Moving pitch. This exercise is a short scale to help you with pitch targeting. Take a relaxed breath in, use your mask resonance and enjoy singing up and down the scale. Belinda will sing first and then you can copy. 2, 3, 4.
Ma, mi, ma.
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 2, 3, 4. Okay, one last time.
Ma, mi, ma.
2, 3, 4. Exercise 3. Discovering your range. This exercise is called an arpeggio. There is a leap between each note. The sound we will use for this exercise is called a lip trill, like this. You can also use a tongue trill, like this. These sounds are great for accessing your higher notes. Belinda will sing first and then you can copy. Okay, one last time. Exercise 4. Developing your range. This exercise features the same arpeggio as exercise 3. We will be singing ya instead of the lip or tongue trill. Take a relaxed breath in through your nose, let your jaw drop, and maintain a forward tongue position as you sing up and down your range. Belinda will sing first and then you can copy.
Ya, 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 ya. 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 Ya, 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 ya.
Check out the playlist for more vocal workouts and warm-ups. Bye for now.